Water, the elixir of life, is not only essential for our overall health, but can also hold the key to a host of additional benefits when consumed warm or hot. It's a fact often overlooked that our bodies can reap myriad rewards from the simple act of sipping warm water. In a world awash with cold water enthusiasts, it's time to explore the virtues of warm water, a liquid ally that can aid digestion, bolster circulation, reduce stress, and so much more. Our bodies are marvelously composed of about 60% water, making hydration a fundamental pillar of good health. To keep our vital organs functioning optimally and to energize ourselves, experts advise consuming anywhere from 11 to 16 glasses of water daily, tailored to your lifestyle and individual needs. Warm water isn't just a comforting drink, it's a remedy for common ailments too. Ever battled an annoying runny nose or a stuffy nasal passage? Warm water's elevated temperature can swiftly clear mucus, offering relief from cold symptoms. In the morning, it can work wonders for that scratchy throat, a common side effect of overnight mucus buildup. But wait, there's more. Drinking warm water in the morning gives your metabolism a wake-up call, igniting the fat-burning engine that powers you throughout the day. It also acts as a gentle, natural cleanse for your intestines, ensuring that waste is efficiently eliminated, reducing bloating and flatulence. Now, let's delve into the intricacies of digestion. When we don't drink enough water, the small intestine absorbs most of the water from the food we consume, leading to dehydration and making it harder to have regular bowel movements. Chronic dehydration can even lead to persistent constipation, a discomfort nobody wants to endure. Fortunately, warm water comes to the rescue by accelerating food breakdown and promoting regular bowel movements. It eases the discomfort associated with digestive tract disorders, facilitating a smoother passage for waste and flushing out toxins. Detoxification enthusiasts, take note. Hot water might be your ticket to a cleaner system. When hot water raises your body temperature, it induces sweating, a natural process that helps expel toxins from your body and unclog your pores. For those who dread menstrual pain, here's a simple solution: warm water. Menstrual cramps that plague women on the first day can be alleviated by warm water consumption, offering a natural remedy for pain relief. But the warm water revolution doesn't end there. When combined with coffee or tea, it opens up a realm of health benefits. While caffeine in excess can be dehydrating, moderation is key. Research suggests that coffee may contribute to a longer life, and tea has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. So, when you're sipping that cup of joe or steeping your favorite tea, consider the added benefits of pairing them with warm water. Have you ever indulged in spicy cuisine and found yourself in the fiery grip of capsaicin, the chemical responsible for that intense heat? Well, here's a secret. Capsaicin dissolves in hot water. After a glass of warm water, you'll find relief as the spicy sensation gradually fades away. It's important to note that while hot water won't cure ailments, it carries minimal risks, provided it's not scalding. So whether you're a warm water enthusiast or someone eager to improve their health effortlessly, rest assured that you're on the right track. Water is our lifeline, and loving your body means nourishing it with the right kind of hydration. Cold water, on the other hand, may not be the best choice for those with sensitive teeth and cavities, as it can harm dental health and offer little benefit. Warm water, with its gentle temperature, ensures comfort and safety, particularly for individuals with dental sensitivities. But there's more to warm water than just physical well-being. It extends its soothing touch to the realm of mental health. A warm cup of water can act as a calming balm for stress and anxiety, as shown in an older study that found hot liquids, like tea and coffee, can lower stress levels and reduce anxiety. Caffeine plays a role, but the warmth itself contributes to improved mood. Of course, no discussion of warm water would be complete without addressing the primary risk, the potential for burns. While a fingertip might find the water pleasantly warm, the tongue or throat could experience an entirely different sensation. Caution is paramount. Testing a small sip before taking a full gulp is a prudent practice. Opting for insulated cups can reduce the risk of spills and burns. And for those who worry about caffeine overload, remember that moderation is key to enjoying the benefits without overstimulation. In conclusion, drinking hot water won't perform miracles, but as long as you're not dealing with boiling temperatures, the risks are minimal. So, whether you're an avid warm water drinker or just considering this simple health upgrade, rest assured that you're nurturing your well-being in ways you might never have imagined. As more people join the warm water revolution, Who knows what new research and discoveries may await us on this liquid journey towards better health and vitality?